પૈસા બી એટલા નહીં, પૈસા મળે સતત, પણ અમને પૈસાની આવકથી અમે બીજું પણ વસાવી શકીએ, ઘરનાને મદદ કરી શકીએ.
સેટિસ્ફેક્શન.
બહુ સરસ અનુભવ થાય છે કે મમ્મી પપ્પાને હું પણ એમને પણ સુખી કર્યા અને હું જાતે પણ સુખી છું.
હેપીનેસ.
આગળ જતાં 4-5 વર્ષનો એક્સપિરિયન્સ લઈને પોતાની લેબ ખોલવાનું વિચારું છું.
એસ્પિરેશન.
હવે ચિંતા નથી, છોકરાની હગાઈ કરી દીધી, હવે લગ્ન કરવા છે આવતે વર્ષે.
જેમ દીકરો કમાય એમ આગળ વધશું.
Enthusiasm. The glowing faces of these tribal are telling heartily that lives are changing. How? Where? Muni Seva Ashram, a place where love for humanity splashes through all corners. Located in a remote tribal belt, Goraj, a small village near Vadodara. Ashram was founded by Pujya Annuben Thakkar in 1978 to serve the deficient and needy sections of the society without regards to caste, creed, religion or financial status of the recipient, employing the best available appropriate technologies and in complete harmony with the nature. Due to Pujya Annuben's immense love for humanity and Dr. Vikram Bhai's integrated approach, Ashram currently has exponentially expanded its operations in areas such as education, family center and healthcare to further reach, serve and uplift the tribal youths in and around Vadodara district. Muni Seva Ashram under public-private partnership has collaborated with Development Support Agency of Gujarat, Tribal Development Department to establish Vocational Training Institute in Goraj under One Bandhu Kalyan Yojana, Honorable Chief Minister's 10-point program.
The Chief Minister has mentioned that his wish is to double the income of the especially tribal people, and to that end, this training is imparted to the needy tribal youths who otherwise would not have afforded the training and the facility in this very competitive world.
MSA VTC provides excellent, specific and implicit knowledge to tribal youths to ensure gainful employment and managerial assistance, and thereby making MSA VTC an excellent training provider in the areas such as paramedical, solar, renewable energy and agriculture.
That if you give someone a fish, you have helped him for a day. But if you teach him how to fish, you have helped him for the life. So empowerment was the key, and VTC is doing exactly that.
The courses offered by the VTC have been identified by GIZ-IS based on the current industry demand in line with MES NCVT modules. Currently, MSA VTC offers courses in medical and nursing, solar energy, agriculture and IT sectors from its MSA campus at Goraj. A modern lush green campus is being constructed at village Sangadol, Goraj with residential facilities, well-equipped labs and classrooms.
તેના પછી એવું લાગ્યું કે હવે ખેતી નહીં કરવાની, જોબમાં જ મહેનત કરવાની છે, આગળ શીખવાનું છે.
પોતાનામાં આત્મવિશ્વાસ વધ્યો, બધું બહુ સરસ એમ સર ત્યાં ગયા પછી આખું જીવન બદલાઈ ગયું એવું લાગે છે.
મારા મા બાપ તો ખુશ જ હોય છે, કારણ કે એમનો છોકરો પોતાનો છોકરો હવે જાતે પગભેર કમાતો થઈ ગયો હોય.
હવે તો સારું જ લાગે ને.
And now they are happy, and our experience is that they have already achieved the goal that was given by CM.
We at MSA strive to give emphasis on dignity of tribal youths, increase scope, scale, skill and speed, and work in tandem with Honorable Chief Minister Narendra Modi's formula for success. Thereby actively participate in making Gujarat inclusive growth.
Now I would like to take your attention from the past to the present and future. Here is a short clip of the new VTC campus that is being built very close to the existing campus. The workshops are essentially ready and waiting for the equipment. The Rotary Club of Bombay North is sponsoring the purchase of equipment for 5 of the 8 industrial courses. This helps greatly in starting the new campus quickly. Now let's look at how the campus will look like when completed in the next 4 to 6 months.
Muni Seva Ashram is building a new vocational training center. It will provide skills training to the youth who drop out from schools or cannot pursue college education. There are 12 workshops for hands-on training for courses like welding, plumbing, carpentry, etc. The admin area has conference hall, placement cell, mobilization cell, library, principal office and a staff room. The large pond in the middle will harvest the rainwater that can be used for irrigation during the rest of the year. The 1 BHK quarters will provide on-campus housing to the staff. The student hostel will accommodate about 500 students at a time. There are 2 BHK quarters for staff with family. Training target for this year is 960 students and 1500 thereafter. There will be 20 new courses in sectors such as industrial, civil and renewable energy. We were hoping to inaugurate the new campus in June of this year, but pandemic has delayed at least till Diwali. Everybody at MSA and VTC is very excited at the prospect of moving into this beautiful new campus.